What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about my travel setup. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about my travel setup and what I use for when I travel. If I'm not traveling for a studio session, I'm traveling with the family or something like that, work still needs to be done. And this travel setup really takes my mixing to the next level. I always don't have to be in a studio. I could be traveling with my laptop and getting things done. So without further ado, let's head over to the table and I'll show you guys my travel setup. Let's go. All right, fam. So now I'm about to show you my travel setup, exactly what I travel with. So first, we have this little doohickey for my MacBook. It simply has every single type of connection you need to put in your MacBook, man. USB-C 3. You have your regular USB, micro SD cards, and stuff like that. I travel with this just in case I may need it. Some people may have hard drives and stuff like that that are not USB-C, so I'll bring this with me. All right, next, I travel with these portable hard drives. I have some bigger hard drives when I'm in studio session when I'm not traveling, but I like to travel with these just because if I need to, I can put them in my pocket. I can pretty much put these things anywhere. And they're nice and rugged. This one's a 2 terabyte. This one's a 500 gig. I just put all my stuff, everything I'm bringing with me or everything I'm working on while I'm traveling, I'll put them on these 2 drives, then I'll transfer them to my big drives when I get back home, and I also put it on Dropbox and stuff like that. But if you don't have these SanDisk drives, man, these are very portable. They definitely get the job done. The write speed is quick. Like I said, this is a 2 terabyte, this is a 500 gig, and these things fit right in your pocket. Like I said, I love them. Next, headphones. These are the headphones I use. Some of you guys have seen my unboxing video and my thoughts about these headphones. I love these Slate Audio VSX headphones. I love these headphones, man. They just come in handy whether I'm just listening to music or I'm on the road mixing. Got to work on music. I love these headphones because I can achieve a mix like I'm at my home studio. I can achieve that with these headphones so I can work on the road. If you have not seen these Steven Slate Audio VSX headphones, make sure you check out my unboxing and my honest review, man. I love these headphones, and I travel everywhere without them. I also have some like wireless earbuds that I listen to if I'm driving or if I'm on a plane or something like that. But when I'm in studio mode, when I'm in mix mode and stuff like that, that's when these Slate VSX headphones come out, man. I love these things. All right, let's see what we got next. Next, audio interface. The Apollo Solo. Some of you guys have seen my unboxing on this as well. I recently added this to my travel setup. I used to travel with an Apollo Twin, but the Apollo Twin, man, that thing needs power. And sometimes I do not have power. I need to work without power, but I also want a few of my Apollo plugins that I really can't do without just yet. I really want them. So that's where this Apollo Solo comes in handy. It is bus power, so you just plug it into the computer. The computer powers it up. So basically, you can work anywhere. This thing isn't heavy at all, but it packs a major punch, man. I love this thing right here. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of this yet, make sure you check that out. I haven't done a a honest review of this just yet, but that's coming, man. I love this Apollo Solo. Like I said, it's new to the rotation, man, but it packs a big punch, and I love this thing, man. All right, next we have the Akai MPK Mini. I love this keyboard, MIDI controller, whatever you want to call it, man. I love this thing. The Akai MPK Mini 25 key in this limited edition gray color, man. I love this thing. It just simply gets the job done. I hook this thing up to my computer, and it just works, man. Whenever some of you guys know I do make beats. I work with a lot of producers, and sometimes we just need this MIDI controller, man, to get things done. And this comes in handy. Like I said, you could travel with it. It's very light. If you don't have one, or if you're thinking about getting one, let me know your thoughts about it, man. Not too much to say about these, man. You guys have seen these everywhere. Like I said, I love this right here, man. This Akai MPK Mini. I travel everywhere with it. Slides right in my book bag. Sometimes I need it, sometimes I don't. But I'd rather have it just in case. I also travel with a power brick, but me being clumsy, I left it on my last trip, so I actually have to replace that. I travel with that also, just in case my computer's dying or my phone is dying and I need some extra power. I have the power brick that'll get the job done. And last but not least, my computer, man. I do have a MacBook. I travel with a MacBook. My home studio, it is PC. Custom built a PC. It runs great. But when I'm traveling, I really don't like Windows PCs. I love MacBooks, man. And this thing gets the job done. This is like a 2018 32 gig, 1 terabyte SSD. I've never reached the maximum on this setup right here, man. I love this MacBook, man. I don't think I would ever go Windows laptop, man. I just love MacBooks for what they do, their durability. And yeah, like I said, I've mixed on this thing. I've recorded music on this thing. I've never had an issue. And I actually bought this used, man. I bought this from eBay used. Like I said, I had a 2015, but it was just a little bit too slow. It was time to upgrade. I didn't want to spend the money on a new one, so I caught this one on eBay. Like I said, it's 2018, 32 gig. And it really packs a punch, man. Like I said, I've had sessions with hundreds of tracks, 100 and some change tracks, and I haven't maxed this thing out yet. I've came close, don't get me wrong. I've definitely came close, but there's ways around that when you're dealing with audio. I can't do without my MacBook, man. Like I said, this is my travel setup. This is what I travel with, man. What do you guys travel with? Let's go. Yes, sir. My travel setup is light, but it's effective. It definitely gets the job done, man. Are you guys traveling with the setup? If so, what are you guys using? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Like I said, every piece I take with me has a job, and it's effective, man. Let's talk about your setups. And if you think about a piece of gear that I got, ask a question. I'm here to answer. I'm here to help. I'm here to help everyone get better, man. Do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.